The minimum credit score for REI credit card approval is lower than you might think, and I'm going to share exactly what you need. Did you know that nearly 1 in 5 Americans have a credit score below 600? That's a shocking statistic, and it really makes you think about how credit scores impact your ability to get approved for credit cards. So, do you know what the minimum credit score is for REI credit card approval? Let's dive into it. All right, so today we're talking about the REI credit card and its awesome benefits. If you love the outdoors and enjoy shopping at REI, this card can be a game changer for you. But to get those sweet perks, you need to understand the credit score requirements for approval. It's super important because knowing what you're up against can really help you prepare. There are tons of misconceptions out there about credit score requirements. A lot of folks think they need a perfect score to even be in the running for a credit card like the REI one, but that's not always the case. Many people are unsure if they even qualify, leading to confusion and frustration. It can feel like a guessing game, and trust me, you're not alone in feeling this way. So, what's the real deal with credit scores? Credit scores generally fall into ranges: poor, fair, good, and excellent. For the REI credit card, you typically want a minimum score of around 640. But here's the kicker: just having that score doesn't guarantee your approval. Other factors come into play, like your income, credit history, and even your existing debt. All these elements combined create a fuller picture of your creditworthiness. If you're looking to improve your credit score, there are a few tips that can really help. First, pay your bills on time, every time. Late payments can seriously hurt your score. Second, keep your credit utilization low. Try to use less than 30% of your available credit. And finally, regularly check your credit report for errors. Mistakes can happen, and disputing them could give your score a nice little boost. So, to wrap it all up, the minimum credit scores you're looking at for the REI credit card is about 640. But remember, maintaining good credit health is crucial, and it involves more than just hitting that number. Keep an eye on your credit habits, and you'll be on the right track. What has your experience been with credit scores and credit cards? Have you applied for the REI credit card before? Drop your stories in the comments below.